Maytag top-load washers not filling with water is a common issue, often stemming from the inlet valve, clogged screens, or low water flow. According to 2025 data, it accounts for 25 to 30% of repair calls. These common causes can be identified using simple tools. The inlet valve controls water entry, screens filter debris, and water flow depends on pressure. Modern Maytag washers have smart diagnostic features via a phone app that may tell you the cause of the water issue and provide error codes to begin fixing it. The inlet valve controls water flow into the washer. It acts as an electromagnetic solenoid, opening and closing to regulate hot and cold water. The valve has separate ports for hot and cold water, plus internal filters to trap debris. These prevent contaminants from entering the washer's water system. A faulty inlet valve may not open fully, causing slow or no water filling. This prevents the wash cycle from starting properly and can lead to error codes. Test the valve using a multimeter for continuity. Resistance should be between 1 to 5 ohms. If outside this range, the solenoid may be defective. Inspect for mineral buildup, which can cause the valve to stick or fail. Regular cleaning prevents this issue from developing over time. Inlet screens are mesh filters located at the hose connections behind your Maytag washer. These screens trap sediment, including hair, lint, and minerals from hard water. When these screens become clogged, they restrict water flow, leading to slow filling or complete failure to fill during wash cycles. To clean the inlet screens, start by unplugging the washer for safety. Then remove both the hot and cold water hoses from the back of the machine. Inspect the screens for any visible clogs or damage. If clogged, soak them in vinegar and gently scrub with a toothbrush. Replace the screens if they are damaged or heavily corroded. Reattach the hoses and test the washer. For prevention, clean these screens regularly every 6 to 12 months, especially in areas with hard water or sediment buildup. Low water flow in your Maytag washer can stem from several issues. Common causes include low household water pressure, which should ideally be between 20 and 120 psi, kinked hoses that restrict flow, or municipal water restrictions imposed by your local water authority. Many washers feature flow sensors that monitor water intake. If the flow drops below 0.5 gallons per minute, the cycle may automatically abort to prevent damage. To diagnose, first use a pressure gauge to accurately measure your household water pressure. Then, check that the inlet hoses are straight and free of kinks or obstructions. Modern Maytag washers often display error codes to help diagnose problems. The F8E1 code indicates an inlet valve error, while F8E2 signals low water pressure. These codes can help pinpoint the issue, and the Maytag app may provide additional alerts. Always refer to your user manual for specific interpretations for your model. When your Maytag washer won't fill with water, 70% of fixes involve clogged screens or valves. These are often DIY-able with over 80% success rates. Online guides and video tutorials provide plenty of help for homeowners. However, if you're not comfortable with the repair, professional services average $150 to $300. Consider your skills and experience to decide whether to tackle it yourself or call in an expert. Real-world examples show common washer issues. Clogged screens in rural areas with well water are frequent. Cleaning inlet screens with vinegar quickly restores water flow. Faulty inlet valves can be replaced with original equipment manufacturer parts for a dependable solution. Low water pressure from municipal upgrades may require installing pressure boosters. Most importantly, 85% of these problems are simple fixes that regular maintenance can prevent.